But these causes great damage of life and property on the earth. What is that? When they are coming, they are destroying the lives of the persons and the property, like industries, homes. They are destroying on which are on the earth. Okay, these are caused by natural forces. We can say natural forces. Natural means from by the nature they are giving them force. We have no control over these happenings. When they're coming, we can't control them. Okay, but with the availability of advanced information system, the now today in that time very system is very advanced. Before coming the tsunamis, earthquakes, we know about that earthquake is coming. Okay, these are the there are the possibilities to reduce the impact of disasters when they occur. All these natural activities take place due to the movement of how and when they will these natural activities will take place. All these natural activities take place due to the movement of molten material within the earth. But you see the picture given there, these are the volcanic eruptions, volcanoes, we can say. There's an earthquake that destroying the person's lives. Okay. Next is bache volcanoes. What are volcanoes? The word volcano originally from where volcano word came. It will came from the name of the Roman god of fire, that is Vulcan. A volcano is an opening. A volcano is an opening in the earth crust that allows molten rocks or magma, ash, and gases to reach the earth's surface. But what is that? See the picture given here. It is a very like we can say where fire is there. That is lava. Upper layer of the volcano is lava, and second is layers of ash and lava. Second layer, this one gray one part. Okay. Next is but a magma chamber from where volcano erupt, and that center one part is vent. Okay, so this the magma that reaches the earth's surface is called lava, and the passage through which it travels is from where it will start traveling, that is vent. Okay, volcanoes are usually in the form of conical means cone type, so we can say this one cone type. That type of the mountains it will form when they will came. Okay, in nature there are the three types of volcanoes. First is active volcanoes, dormant, second is dormant volcanoes, and third is extinct volcanoes. Now we are going to discuss these three types of volcanoes. First is bache active volcanoes. These volcanoes are very active when they came and may erupt anytime. Active volcanoes, when they are coming, the very active means not that means persons are active, not, but see, when they are erupt, when they are coming, they will burst the life of the persons. Okay, and have erupted in recent past. When and in the past life they came, where it came Mount Vesuvius, Mount Fuji, and Mount Erebus are some active volcanoes. Okay, from these all are the mountain. These all are the active volcanoes in the past life. They was came. Okay. Next is dormant volcanoes. Those volcanoes that have not erupted in a long time, but may erupt in the future. But say in the past life they not came from last long time, but it will come in future. Where example as child, Sissitic, and Alaska. Next is what's extinct volcanoes. An extinct volcano is one that has not erupted for thousands of years. Means from the last thousands of years they was not erupted. In this category of the volcanoes, the erupting activities are completely subsided. Some islands have been formed by the eruption of undersea volcanoes. Means in the when volcanoes are coming, some islands are formed. Some of the extinct volcanoes are Mount Ijnoint in the New Zealand and Mount Kilimanjaro in the Tanzania. Okay, so these two, Mount Ijnoint and Mount Kilimanjaro, that these two volcanoes are the types of extinct volcanoes. Next is earthquake. But earthquake occurs when two large pieces of earth crust suddenly slip. See these two earthquakes, pieces of earth, when they slip together, and this is the space where they slip together, they will form as a earthquake. This causes shock waves to the shake the earth surface of earth. बच्चे when the earthquake was coming na, was came or earthquake is coming, they will बच्चे shake. But we are also feeling that our body is moving. How when why we are just feeling that our body is moving, बच्चे because we are living on the earth, and earth is also moving. Shake we can say this way, shake in the form of earthquake. Okay, so next is bache page number 98. Earthquake usually occurs on the edges of the last sections of the earth crust called tectonic plates. Bache corners one we can say, edge, this one see in in this book here, this is edge, corners one. Okay, that we can say where it was burst, that is tectonic plates. These plates slowly move over a long period of time. Sometimes the edges, which are called fault lines, can get stuck. Bache, when these plates are slowly move, na, when the earthquake is coming, and that call which lines they are moving, that is fault lines, and they will stuck out. Stuck out means coming outside from there. Okay, so that's why buildings are destroying when the earthquake is coming. So this is the main purpose when the earthquake is coming. But the plates keeps on moving. Pressure slowly starts to build up when the edges are stuck. Okay, and once the pressure gets strong enough, when the pressure is very strong enough, and the plates suddenly move, causing an earthquake. But then the plates are moving slowly and slowly, these plates are always moving. But when the pressure is coming on that plates, and that plates will start moving hardly, and then earthquake is coming. Okay, but say these paragraphs are not in our syllabus. And next is measuring earthquake. But say who will measure that earthquake is coming now? Who will tell us? Like, but say thermometer is there, that is telling us our temperature. So same case is there in the measuring earthquake. But say seismic waves are there. Seismograph. This is a seismograph. That is the instrument, but to measure the earthquake. Okay. An earthquake generate waves that travels all over the earth, and these are called seismic waves. But say waves are like this one part, same thing. Okay, seismic waves are recorded, and these waves are recorded in that is called seismograph. The magnitude of earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. Magnitude of earth, how the earthquake will come, when it will come, that is also Richter scale will tell us. And seismograph, the number of this scale range is 1 to 10. Earthquake below 6 are considered as a moderate, mild, but above it will severe. But say, there is a, we can say, uh, that is a scale made, this is a scale having the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before 6 there is a moderate, means like some, they will not destroy your whole life. So, and when it will come after 6, it will very severe, it will destroy the lives of the persons and properties also, it will damage more, we can say. Okay, yes. Effects of earthquake. An earthquake also cause destructions of lives and properties. Okay, so earthquake is causing the destruction of lives and property of the persons. The undersea earthquake can cause disasters like tsunami when these they causes harm to the lives in the water. But say when the earthquake is coming, it also destroying the water present in the seas like tsunamis. Okay, earthquake also cause the earthquake also causes landslides and fires. They disrupt the transport and communication system. Earthquake also destroying the transport system and communication system.